Data inventory and data flows. What is data inventory? A data inventory is a comprehensive record of all the data assets an organization holds. It lists what data is collected, where it is stored, how it is used, and by whom. Steps in a data inventory. 1. Identify data sources. List all the systems, applications, and processes that collect or use personal data, e.g., CRM systems, HR platforms, email marketing tools. 2. Classify data. Categorize data based on sensitivity levels, e.g., personally identifiable information, PII, health data, financial data. Identify whether the data includes any special categories of data, such as racial or ethnic origin, political opinions, etc., that require higher protection under laws like GDPR. Third, assess data flow. Map out how data flows within the organization, where it is stored, and who has access to it. Identify third-party vendors or service providers that may also handle or process this data. Fourth, document retention policies. Determine how long data should be retained based on legal and regulatory requirements. Implement policies for data deletion or anonymization once the data is no longer needed. Ensure data handling practices are compliant with privacy laws and regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, or HIPAA. Identify any gaps in compliance and develop strategies for addressing them. Benefits of a data inventory. Privacy compliance helps ensure the organization follows legal requirements for data protection. Risk management reduces the risk of data breaches by providing clarity on what data is stored and where. Transparency makes it easier to respond to data subject requests for access, deletion, or correction under privacy laws. Having a data inventory in place is a foundational step in any data privacy strategy. What are data flows? Data flows refer to the movement of data between entities, systems, and stakeholders. Understanding data flow is essential for managing risks related to privacy violations and ensuring compliance with data protection laws. Here's a concise breakdown of data flows in data privacy. First, collection of data. Data flows typically begin with the collection of personal data. Organizations collect data from individuals via forms, surveys, or digital interactions, websites, apps, etc. The data could include sensitive information such as names, emails, financial details, and health data. Example: a user fills out a registration form on a website providing their personal details. Second, storage of data. After collection, data is stored in various systems, databases, cloud servers, or on-premises storage. Storage practices are critical to prevent unauthorized access, ensure integrity, and comply with security protocols. Third, data processing. Once stored, data is processed, analyzed, modified, or transformed by different software, applications, or services. Processing could involve artificial intelligence, analytics tools, or third-party service providers. Fourth, data sharing. Data often flows from one organization to another, especially in cases of third-party service providers or data exchanges. Consent is required to ensure that personal data is not shared without authorization. Fifth, data deletion. Data flows culminate in deletion or destruction. The data is either erased when it is no longer needed or upon the individual's request, as stipulated by privacy regulations. Managing data flows is vital for safeguarding personal information and maintaining compliance with privacy laws. See you in the next lesson.